Hello guys, in this video I'll be telling you the code editors which you can use to follow my tutorials. You can use a Sublime Text. I will give this link in the description down below. You can click on this download link which I have given. And you can download it for Mac OS, Windows 32-bit, 64-bit and Linux too. This has some cool features, but they don't have much features, but you can download it. A really good editor. And the next code editor, which is developed by Adobe, is the Brackets editor. You can click on this download link and then download and install the software. They have some really cool features like live preview, and they have popular plugins such as Emmet, Beautify and more. They also have an autosave extension which auto-saves your work. And the next code editor, which is also developed by Adobe, is the Dreamweaver software. Although this is not free, but it's really good. It is 1,675 rupees and 60 paise per month. Although this, you don't need to buy this because it has a 7 days free trial too. But I think you don't need to buy this because this Brackets editor is better than this because it has really cool features too. It is made with JavaScript, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this Brackets editor. It has some good features, but not much. The Brackets editor is really good. And last code editor is Visual Studio Code. It's really good. You can download it for all the operating systems, including Mac OS, Windows 64-bit and Linux. You can click on this download link and then you can download the software for all operating systems, most popular ones. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.